Hello students. So here I am for the announcement of the upcoming batch, which is known as the All-Star batch. So this students is a regular batch for the students who have got their attempt due in May 22 and November 22 CFAN. So we'll just quickly run through the batch details once quickly on this one. So friends, here is the All-Star batch, May 22 November 22 attempt. It's a 100% English batch. It starts from 3rd November 2021. Maybe many students would be asking, sir, but for May 22 attempt, if it is starting from 3rd November, then what about its completion? So for May 22 students, they can look like from hybrid, like they can do live, they can do the recorded, both the things taken together, they can do that. When I say live and when I say recording, what does it imply, students? Is that here we do have already completed a good chunk of the portion which you can go through in an offline mode, and whatever we are starting from 3rd November, you can do it on a live mode. So it is up to you primarily. So even the offline option is available because a good chunk of the portion of the syllables has been taken into account. So accordingly, those could be captured over there, and the remaining portion you can do it from this one. So this is how you can do the balancing, and that is how the blend can be maintained. So this is what students, this is a point of the discussion. Quick run through of the faculties, and November 22 students, you can do it live altogether completely. It's all up to you. I'll be taking direct tax. Also students, the international taxation part has already been completed, has already been recorded. So the paper 6C international taxation also can be done by the students. That can be done separately. SCMP would be done by CA Devang Kothari sir. So he is taking care of the SCMP part, and IDT would be taken by Mohammad Rafi sir. So these are the star educators in the platform for the group 2, and all of them are masters in their own particular area. So therefore, I think all of you are aware of the kind of the quality that gets delivered by their respective faculty on their respective subjects. Now students, what is the benefit of the platform? Let's run through that particular part. So this students, what you need to do is only to take one subscription, and through that subscription, I'll tell you the period for which the subscription needs to be taken. I'll guide you through that. But what is the benefit of this particular platform is that you have the live batches. If you want to take up the live, or you can go for an unlimited recorded lectures. So it's up to you in this case. As I was telling to May 22 students herein, that either they can go for live or they can go for the recorded content. It's completely up to them. Next, if you see, students, there are multiple educators for all the subjects. All the subjects you will find multiple educators. Doubt solving sessions are there available every week. So that is one thing that has been there. So like, there's no hard and fast rule, students. You can also ask the queries and the doubts within the lectures while the lectures are going on, and maybe you can also have a dedicated doubt solving session. You can use that particular facility as well, and the mock test series. So these are our credentials of the star performers which we had in our earlier attempts, and in fact I'm privileged to have AR1 herein. Bishal, Esikraj, AR2, Vaibhav, AR3, Shabib. I was privileged enough to mentor them, to teach them. So these are the platform primarily had these star learners primarily earlier. So that is one of the aspect. Thereafter, students, if you see therein the subscription plan which I was trying to tell you about it. So here goes with the subscription plan, students. So students, as low as 2 month subscription also you can take it. That's the beauty of this. Now let's just for the matter, say for example, if somebody has to complete a direct tax or only one subject that they want to do it, maybe they can take up a subscription, say somewhere by say 10th of November or so, or 15th of November, and they can run through the entire particular syllabus in 2 months. Even that is possible. 3-month subscription also is possible primarily. Now those are the things. 6 months, ideally you should go with the 6 months part. So it is like 11,250 herein. So in this context, and the best part for the 6-month subscription is that you get actually 1 month extra in that. Students, 1 month extra in 6-month subscription, and for 12-month subscription also you get, students, 2 months extra. So that is a benefit of this particular taking 12 months. So those who have got their attempt as late as November attempt, so they may look into that. And as it goes, whenever students, they will ask you at the time of subscription a referral code. So the referral code you have to put as CADS, because the moment you put CADS, you get 10% discount on that. You get 10% discount on that. And that's exactly how it is to be considered. So students, this is a plan that you have to deal with it. Apart from that, students, we also have an iconic feature. Now what is this iconic feature, students? Here, like in the plus versus iconic, in the case of iconic, we have actually got the textbook, is what physical textbook is being provided. There is a dedicated mentor who is being given to the learners, who would be there with them for the doubt solving purpose. For the doubt solving purpose, those mentors will be there with them. Thereafter, students, there is a 3 test papers that will be there for each subject of that group, like 40 marks, 80 marks and 100 marks. So that's precisely how the grading is done so far as the test papers are concerned. So that is a test paper. So like for example, if you're taking an iconic subscription of group 2, in that particular case, students, this is what you can do it. Total of 28,500 is for 12-month subscription. And in that situation, students, you can find that in this case, 12-month subscription, students, again, you always have this benefit. Put the code CADS and you get 10% discount on the same. Put the code CADS and you get 10% discount on the same, students. And that gives you a per monthly 2375 per month amount that you need to make the payment for this particular plan. These are the features, students: the personal coaching, one-on-one doubt solving, evaluated test series, printed books, and there are sometimes industry expert sessions which are being there in this regard. Discord is like a private Telegram channel wherein all the iconic students are being put in that particular Discord, and so that they can do the interaction amongst themselves. And as I told you, the mentors are being provided to you for this particular part. Evaluated test series is also one of the aspect of this particular aspect. 40, 80 and 100 marks is the evaluated test papers. This is exactly what you all get it, students. The batch details for this 3rd November, I'm just putting it across in this particular link. The link of the batch I'm putting in my description box. In the description box, you'll get the link of the same. Okay, so students, see you then in this regard on 3rd of November with this particular batch. Please do recommend also to your juniors, to your friends in your offices. Do recommend to them as well. Fine, students, take care and thank you very much.